morning all. Today we will discuss a network attached storage, that is a NAS. So network attached storage is a file storage device which is connected to the network and enable multiple user to access data from centralized disk capacity. The users on a LAN, that is local area network, access the shared storage by Ethernet connection. More about this NAS is this storage is fast, low cost and offers all the advantages for a public clouds on the site. It uses file access protocol such as NFS, SMB, NCP or AAP. NFS is a file-based protocol which is popular on Unix system. SMP stands for server message block, which is used for the Microsoft Windows system. AFP is also a file access protocol that is used with the Apple computers. It is basically designed for those network systems which may be processing millions of operations per unit. It supports the storage devices for the organizations which need a reliable network system. It is more economical than file server and most important, it's more versatile than the external disk. Now we'll see the advantages of network attached storage. The architecture of NAS is very easy to install and configure. Second, every user or client in the network can easily access to the network attached storage. Third advantages, the main advantages of NAS is that it is more reliable than simple hard disk. Please underline. The performance is good in serving the files. The device of NAS are scalable and can be easily accessed remotely. So always there is a two side of everything, two side of the coin. There is always the pros and cons. Now we will discuss disadvantages of the NAS. The speed of transferring data is not fast as direct attached storage. User also require basic knowledge of computer network to use the NAS efficiently, and those user or clients who want to back up their data, then they cannot proceed directly. They can do it by using install operating system only. So more about the storage area network, that is SAN. We will discuss now the SAN. SAN is abbreviated from the storage area network. Storage network or storage area network is a dedicated, specialized and high-speed network which provide a block level data storage. It delivers the shared pool of storage device to more than one server. The main aim of SAN is to transfer the data between server and the storage device. It also allows for transferring data between storage systems. Storage area network are mainly used for accessing storage devices such as tape libraries and disk-based devices from the servers. So now more about this storage area network. It is a dedicated network which is not accessible through the LAN, most important, and please underline this one. It consists of host, switches and storage devices which is interconnected using the topologies, protocols and technology. So the protocol used by the storage area network, that is SAN, and following are the most common protocol used by the SAN or SAN network or SAN area network or storage area network. the protocols like FCP, IS, that is ISCSI, FCOE, and NVMe. So now more about FCP protocols. It is most commonly used protocol for storage area network, and it is a mapping of SCSI's command over the fiber channel network. Another protocols used by storage area network is ISCSI. It stands for Internet SCSI, or Internet Small Computer System Interface. It is the second largest block or SAN protocol. It puts the SCSI command inside an Ethernet frame and then transport them over the Internet protocol Ethernet. So another protocol used by SAN is FCOE. FCOE stands for Fiber Channel over Internet. It is a protocol which is similar to the ISCSI protocol. It puts the fiber channel inside the Ethernet diagrams and then transfer over the IP Ethernet network. So another protocol which is used by SAN is NVMe. So NVMe stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express. It is also a protocol of SAN which access the flash storage by the PCI Express bus. So advantages of storage area network: it is more scalable. If you are using it, is scale up and scale down. Security is also main advantages of the SAN, because if user want to secure their data, then SAN is good option to use it. So user can easily implement various security measure on the SAN. Storage devices can easily add it or remove from the network. If user need more storage, then they simply add the devices. The cost of this storage network is low as compared to the others. So another big advantage of using the SAN is better disk utilizations. So now we'll see the comparison between SAN and NAS and DAS, that is network attached storage and direct attached storage. So in NAS is a short form network attached storage that we all knows, and DAS is a short form of direct attached storage that we all knows. So it uses files for backup and recovery, whereas DAS, it uses sector for backup and recovery. So in NAS, this storage device is complex than the DAS, whereas DAS is a simple and not a complex as like a NAS. So network attached storage is slightly difficult to set up, and whereas DAS is easy to set up and install. So NAS is the cost of the storage device is higher than the DAS, whereas DAS is a low cost as compared to the NAS. So when we talk about the NAS, its capacity from 109 to the 102 to 1012 bytes, whereas the capacity of a DAS only 109 bytes. So in NAS, it allows user to share file on a different OS, whereas DAS, this storage device does not allow user to share file on different OS. So NAS, it uses Ethernet and TCP/IP for transmissions of data, whereas DAS uses IDE or SCSI for the transmission of the data.